If you are looking for a commercial grading plans outsourcing service, look no further. Commercial Grading Plans Services is our main service for many projects from small to large using AutoCAD Civil 3D. Commercial Grading Plan is a part you should consider outsourcing. That saves you a lot of time, money, and effort. Grading is the process of altering existing ground to create purposeful slopes or level surfaces. This is used for many different purposes such as building a foundation, landscape improvements, surface drainage improvements, roadway development, or basin detention ponds. Our team takes into consideration the topography survey, geotechnical recommendations, drainage impacts, erosion factors, environmental quality, and the end goal for your project when developing a grading design plan. We have completed many commercial grading plans using Civil 3D to produce grading modeling, cross-sections, surfaces, earthwork calculation, and present on sheets full of the required information, label styles, plot style, and match your company form. Who can benefit from outsourcing commercial grading plans services? Our commercial grading plans services are ideal for civil engineering and construction firms, architects, real estate developers, and government agencies who require outsourcing services for their grading plans. By outsourcing their grading plans to us, our clients can save valuable time and resources, while ensuring that their projects are completed accurately and to the highest standard. Benefits of outsourcing commercial grading plans services. Outsourcing commercial grading plans services to our team can bring a range of benefits to your project. Firstly, it allows you to save time, resources, and money by leaving the grading design plan to our experienced professionals who can handle the complex process. Secondly, by outsourcing to us, you can ensure that your grading plan is created accurately and to the highest standard, so your project can progress smoothly and efficiently. Thirdly, our team is dedicated to delivering results with fast turnaround times, so you can meet project deadlines and move forward with your plans without any delays. Lastly, our team will take into consideration the topography survey, geotechnical recommendations, drainage impacts, erosion factors, environmental quality, and the end goal for your project when developing a grading design plan, ensuring that it is tailored to your specific requirements. The process of providing commercial grading plans services. How our service works. 1. Providing us input data, topo survey, site plan, or architectural plans, specific requirements, markups or sketches of grading ideas, and samples of works for title block, styles, layers, etc. 2. Working process. Produce grading plans per input data and discuss more with clients if facing any problems. 3. Quality check and delivery of the first draft. Our team of specialists thoroughly checks the draft for common and uncommon issues. Then the draft will be delivered to the client. 4. Get feedback from the clients and then work on it to produce the final grading plans. Experience and achievements. Commercial grading plans services has been a core service offering for our company, and we have gained a wealth of experience and achievements through the years. Our team of experienced engineers and designers work closely with our clients to ensure that every project is completed on time, on budget, and to their exact specifications. We take pride in our ability to produce accurate, efficient, and effective grading plans that meet the needs of our clients. Our experience in working with a variety of industries and clients has given us a wide range of knowledge and expertise, allowing us to offer customized solutions to each project. Over the years, we have worked on projects ranging from small commercial sites to large industrial complexes. Our team's expertise and attention to detail have allowed us to consistently exceed our clients' expectations and deliver high-quality results. We strive to continue our success and growth as a leading provider of commercial grading plans services. Our goal is to always provide efficiently and cost-effective civil engineering solutions while delivering high-quality services that provide value to each project we work on. We look forward to discussing your commercial grading plans outsourcing needs. You may fill out the interest inquiry form provided below or contact us via email, contact@civiloutsourcing.com or website, civiloutsourcing.com. We will be in touch.